Every design starts with an idea. Here's today's. So the phrase for today's daily design is look at how far you've come. And I wanted to create this as like a celebration of progress and like a little reminder to pause, reflect, look at how far you've come. So the vibes had to be pretty chill. I wanted some minimal design, maximum feeling. So I went with a duotone halftone pattern effect. That's pretty nostalgic and retro vibes. And then I wanted to place the text in an empty street just to like reinforce the emotional tone a little bit. And that's it. Hope you liked it.